Empowerment Technology Performance Task 5.1. So our topic for today was 2D and 3D animation. What is difference between 2D animation to 3D animation? Let's start with 2D animation. What is 2D animation? 2D animation is the art of creating movement in a 2D dimension space. This includes character creatures, effects, and background. The illusion of movement is created when individuals' drawings are sequenced together over time. 1 second of time is usually divided into 24 frames. Emil Cole, born January 4, 1857, died January 20, 1938, born Emile Eugene Jean-Louis Corin, was French caricaturist of the largely forgotten incoherent movement cartoonist and animator called the father of animated cartoon and the oldest Parisian. Phantasmagorie, the first 2D animation ever made, was called Phantasmagorie, a short cartoon made by Emile Cole created entirely in black and white. The cartoon began with Emile drawing a simple stickman in live action. The cartoon is about 75 seconds long. It took about 700 different drawings to create. Advantage of 2D animation: quicker to produce with advancing software such as Tom Bond and After Effects. 2D animation is becoming faster and more accessible software. The software used to create 2D animation is not as draining for your machine as 3D animation software. Disadvantage of 2D animation: as you may expect, 2D is older, less interesting, and less sought out than 3D animation. It is the less desirable of the two technology, and despite the quick learning time, can take more time to produce entirely than 3D since the program 2D is built on is less advanced. Here is some example of DEMS animation transition. DEMS animation, transition, and effect. Here is some example of chart, graph, table of 2D animation. Chart, graph, tables, (3D animation). What is 3D animation? 3D animation is when computer-generated objects appear to move through 3-dimensional space. In 3D animation, objects can be moved and rotate following the same principle as in real life. Computer animation makes use of 3D computer graphics to create a 2-dimensional moving picture that depicts 3 dimensions. John Whitney Sr. John Whitney Sr., 1917-1995, was an American animator, composer, and inventor widely considered to be one of the fathers of computer animation. The very first 3D animation style was called clay animation of claymation and came to life in the early 90s. It involves making clay models of real-life objects and creating stop-motion film of the models being moved and manipulated into position. The first film to use 3D computer-generated image to create the animation was the movie Future World in 1976. The movie featured computer-generated image of a hand and face. This hand was digitized, the version of left hand of Edwin Cathem. Advantage of 3D animation. Here are benefits of 3D animation in your business. Catch audience attention. One of the main 3D animation benefits is it gives comic relief in most instances which make it interesting to viewers, promotes interactivity, creates branding, attacks online traffic, improve cost effectiveness. Disadvantage of 3D animation. 3D cons limited imagination. 3D is strictly stylized compared to the vast array of style that can be created in 2D. There are reasons that most 3D animated characters have a similar style. You are somewhat limited by rig when creating character. Here's some example of themes, animation, transition, and effects of 3D animation. Themes, animation, transition, effect. Here's some example chart, graph, table of 3D animation. Chart, graphs, and tables. Thank you for watching.